right. I am John Beckmann, Professor John Beckmann, Dr. John Beckmann, the father, said the transgender mother of sin, your hostess with the mostess. Big, get a green screen in the back. I drink my beer. Ready for the attack. Have my brain tab behind my back just to make it fair. Okay. Tonight, Saturday night fever. We're going to do Otto Dix, Waterbear Battle Universe. Otto Dix, the crazy universe of Otto Dix. Here's the tournament. Let's quick get some sound effects here. Lay down the sound effects. Oh my God. All right, hopefully we got those D2 sound effects. All right, it's time to rock and roll. First up, fighting their way into the tournament, we have Beckmann versus England. All right, on the left, we have Beckmann, Otto Dix, Waterbear. On the right, we have England, Otto Dix, Waterbear. Fight! Boom! Beckmann slaughtered. Just dead. Beckmann moves into the tournament. Next, we have Caboid versus Sangeroth. This is actually hard for me. This one is very, it looks like an aqua tint. Aqua tint's what Otto Dix did with their Krieg. So this looks like an aqua tint for sure. Looks like a print. But this one has the scratchy lines. Like this one, that's how Otto Dix draws. He draws with the scratchy lines. So I would say this one, the gray wash, the gray technique looks far more accurate. But in this one, the actual lines look more accurate. And Otto Dix for sure has lines. God, this one is hard for me. I also think this one is really fun. This one is just really fun. This one is really well done, but the positioning is not like I don't like that pose. So it's really hard for me. This is very difficult. Fight! Oh my God. Oh, what am I gonna decide? I have to go with humor. Fight. You're dead. I have to go with humor. Humor's more funny. This one's more funny. I don't think it's technically as good. It's definitely not as technically good, but it's more funny. And Otto Dix, his universe is for sure humorous. Caboid moves into the tournament. Next up, we have Griffith versus Beckmann. Universe is insane. This is so hard. This is so hard for me. Oh God, this is so hard for me. Fight. You're fucking dead. Beckmann is dead. You're fucking dead. Again, like I have to go with humor for Otto Dix because his universe is super humorous. I have to go with humor, and the one on the right is just funny. Oh God, it's more funny than mine. Oh, I was hoping to win. I was hoping to get one good one. I was killed. Beckmann's dead. I'm always happy when students are better than me. Griffith moves to the next round. Next up, we got your son versus Kirsch. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's making me laugh and die at the same time. Oh fuck. This is so funny. Oh my god. Wait, oh, I gotta get the layer above. Oh, you soon got completely destroyed. Oh, Kirsch moves to the next round. Next up, we got Jakarta versus H Cobb. Ready to fight. Oh my god, it fell just from space and squashed it. Oh, it got smashed. Oh, dead. Jakarta moves to the next round. Next up, we got Coswalt versus Nwang. Why are they always together? They're always fighting each other. Oh my god, these are so good. You guys did so good. This is so good. I mean, clearly, no, we know what the slaughter here is. Boom. Nwang. Is anybody going to stop Nwang? She won the last tournament in the other universe, the Frank Miller universe. Nwang moves up to the next round. We're Livingston versus Caboid. These are so good. Oh my god, these are so good. All right, we got Caboid on the right or Livingston on the left. Fight. 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 Dead. Or Livingston. Or Livingston moves to the next round. Next up, we got N. Baker versus F. Bellamy. These are so funny. Fight. Oh, God. It's funny. Oh, dead. And Baker moves to the next round. Next up, we got MTB Terra versus N. Pitts. All right, we got MTB Terra on the right, N. Pitts on the left. Fight. Just scratched. Dead. MTB Terra moves to the next round. Next up, we got Kafiko versus Schneider. Oh my god, this one is so good. These are so good. This universe clearly has the Saiyans. This universe is the universe to beat so far. This is an amazing, tough universe. This one's it's too smiley. It looks like a something too smiley and cute. It's instantly dead when it's seen this beast of a water bear. God, that was bloody. Who won that? Schneider? No, it was the other one. Kafiko moves to the next round. All right, we're in the semifinals or the first semifinal round. All right, these are all killers. These are all killers now. First up, Griffith versus Kirsch. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so hard. It's so funny. Oh, this is really, really difficult for me. Oh shit. Oh shit, come on. That mouth is just a blender.
Oh.
Oh, you fucking dead. That's got to be one of the ones to beat. Oh god, that's gonna be tough to beat that one. Kirsch moves up to the next round. This is a tough tournament. Chikata versus Wong next. Chikata and Wong. Oh, it's the giant fat one. But this one looks mean. Dead. This one just looks brutally mean. Look at it. Look at this little hook right here. This little, even though this is the mouth of the water bear, but it looks like the eye. And this little hook is just enough of a suggestion of an eyebrow to get the mean look on that thing. God, that's good. Whew. I'm so disappointed that mine sucks so bad. You guys you students are so good. Nuang moves to the next round for Livingston and Baker next. All right, we got for Livingston on the left and Baker on the right. Oh God. Fight. Doing that. And fight. Dead. Something about this one. But it was a tough decision. I can't second guess it. Intuition is correct. Baker moves to the next round. Next up, MTB Terra versus Kafiko. Oh my God, this is a palindrome. When I flip this, it's going to read the same. Oh my God, that is amazing. This one is like, it's like trying to claw it. It's like trying to, but this thing, its neck is like, it looks like it's like dodging it. Like this is clawing, and this is like dodging, and then dead. Oh, there's blood on the mat. We got the first blood stains on the mat. The first blood stains on the mat. Kafiko survives to the next round. Kafiko moves to the next round, the semifinals. Here's where it gets tough, folks. Kirsch versus Wong. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is hard. We got the blender mouth versus the mean motherfucker. You have to go. You have to go with the funnier on Otto Dix. That's all he's all about that. You have to go with the funnier. Blender mouth wins again. And Blender mouth moves into the finals. But God, that was a tough battle. That was a tough battle and a tough universe. Next up, we got Baker versus Kafiko. Oh, this isn't even, that's not even the fight. That's just foreshadowing because there was the blood on the mat. Let's clean up the mat before we bring this other water bear in there. Jesus, this is bloody. Oh my God, this is like deadly. This is like the wannabe blender mouth. It's not gonna hack it. Not this. I don't know. Otto Dix has gray washing. He's got the aqua tints. He's got the gray washing. I have to go. Like, I feel like they're evenly matched, but I have to go with technically which one is actually more from the Otto Dix universe. And I think it's this one. Oh, there was a swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. Second time hits. Oh, there's a lot of blood left on the mat. And now we have the final round. Baker versus Kirsch. Who is going to win this? Let's clean up the mat. I can't even completely clean up the mat. Real blender mouth beats the wannabe blender mouth. All right, last one, folks. And there we have it. The Otto Dix Universe champion Waterbear. Kirsch. Kirsch is the winner. That was tough, though. That was really tough. You guys should be really proud of yourselves. There were some amazing Otto Dix Waterbears there. Much better than the Frank Miller universe. I don't know what that means. I don't know if Otto Dix's style, you guys are more in tune with Otto Dix's style than Frank Miller's. There were some great Waterbears. That was just really tough fighting. Congrats to Kirsch. Good job. All right. Have a good day.
I shall meet death head on. Decade, you've got to get out of here. Beware foul demons and beasts. There are many foes here. The time has come to cleanse my homeland. This monastery reeks with evil and corruption. I hate staining my hands with the blood of foul sorcerers. Eternal suffering would be too great for you, Diablo. Let the gate be open to die. I shall meet death head on. I shall meet death head on. Decade,